Alright ladies and gents, Bats here. Just thought I'd give you a quick video, quick review on the Rabbit Stopper Mark 2 by Gamekeeper John. Just having a little mooch about, spotted this pigeon. As you can see here, lovely clean head shot. I'm quite a novice to this catapulting, so I wanted a catapult ideal for hunting for beginners. Lovely multiplex catapult, double TheraBand gold hunting bands, pinky lock there for your finger to make sure it's, really steady and stable in your hand. Nice slim neck, as you can see here. Lovely little grip on the side, just to make sure you've got the catapult locked in tight. Really pleased with it. Just been having a little wander about in these trees down here. Fantastic catapult. Thought I'd do you guys a quick video before I shoot off out of here. Thanks very much.